Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Flip4 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and there is a firmware update available. So I'm going to show you today how to apply this, and all you need to do this is either an iPhone or an Android phone. In this case I'm using here my iPhone. And so before we begin, of course we have to turn on the speaker here, and we connect it to the phone. And then also I am going to plug this into my charger. Here I have the charging cable attached, so it's charging the battery right now. And you want to also better do this because then you don't run into the danger of losing power while you're performing the update here, because that would be really bad. So now I just position my speaker here, and then I'm going straight to my iPhone. And the one thing that we need here is the JBL Connect app. You do find this here in the App Store and also in the Google Play Store. So in case you don't have this yet, now it's the time to install this. So, and once you start the app, then this is going to be what you see. So it's going to look for your speaker and it's going to find it relatively quickly. And you see on the very bottom, that's where you see here this cogwheel, and next to it is this little red dot, and that indicates that there is a software update available. And if we click on it, then it's going to show us what the new firmware version number is, and also we have the option here to see what the latest changes are. So you click here on what's new, and here you see minor bug fixes, and it was released on May 25th of 2020. Okay, so now let's close this pop-up, and all we have to do is press here on upgrade, and what's going to happen now, it's going to download the new firmware, and then it's also automatically going to install it on our Flip 4, and this is going to take a long time. So for me this took over 18 minutes. So the best thing you can do is actually just put the phone down and don't touch it, don't play with it, especially don't leave the application. And just leave the phone alone and leave the speaker both alone. Leave them close to each other so that they don't lose contact. And then just basically just walk away and wait for it to complete. So now in this video I'm going to fast forward this so we don't have to wait all this time. And so as soon as we're going to reach 100%, then it's going to say here restarting. So it's going to reset the speaker and it's going to reconnect eventually. But also this process here, it's going to sit in this place for 1.5 minutes. So I'm also going to fast forward this. Okay, so now you just heard the jingle that the Flip 4 started back up and it connected back to my phone. And the phone actually says your upgrade successful. So we can confirm this. And if you want to make sure, then you can press here on this info icon, and there you see here speaker firmware 3.9.0. so the update was successful. We're completely done here. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.